is a seal. We are going to make a fossil. Dinosaur fossil. So we'll be needing water, 1 cup of water, clay, and 1 cup of Plaster of Paris, and then you will need a toothbrush, which is already used, and paintbrush, paint, and then 1 cup, and a dinosaur, any kind of dinosaur if you want. So let's get started. So we need to start with the clay. So we need to make it into a mix 2-3 colors, then roll it into a spear. So we are Indians, so we call this an idli. And then if we don't press it too thin, and if you made it like this, we call it into a dosa. You need this much. Okay, now we have the bottom. Now we are going to keep it aside. So the next step is you have your dinosaur. You have to press it. Now I'm going to make the bottom. So you made it into a ball. Now you're going to make it to a rectangle, like a wiggly worm. Yeah, it's just like a worm. Done. Since I have got the other borders ready here, now I'm going to get started. Now I get your flat base and then start. After you do your water and the things, and you need your plaster of Paris. Then you put your plaster of Paris in your empty cup, and then you mix it with water with toothbrush. So the mixture is finished, you can see it. By the time my fossil was getting ready, so I'm gonna play with this. Since there was leftovers, I was playing without my sister's knowledge. I took her burger machine. Don't try this at home. Sorry, it's now 20 minutes, but it's still not dry. So our fossil has been dried, I think. Now we're going to start with the bottom. I brushed the Play-Doh out, and now, okay guys, now it's time to paint. So for the painting for my dinosaur, I mixed white, black, brown to make real fossils color. And here's my paint. paint palette. And now we're going to paint. You can see this little cup. It has a name on it. Look at your faucet. If you have finished doing your fossil, help your parents clean up. There's so many things, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell down and leave a comment below. Bye!